Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Kunwu Padre versus Compadre. Let's get into it. Right up front, full disclosure, Kunwu did not send me these knives. I purchased these with my own hard-earned cash, and I will give you my honest and unbiased opinion on these two knives. First, we're going to look at the Padre. This is the first one that I picked up. Now, I was looking far and wide for a reverse tux Compadre when this one popped up. So I decided to take a chance on it, knowing dang well that this was just a little bit bigger than I'm normally used to carrying, but I figured, what the hey, I'll give it a try anyways. As soon as I got it in, I took it out of the box and I was like, holy smokes, this is a big knife. And this is what I'm saying right here for me. Okay, I have large hands, and for me, this is just a little bit too large for normally what I carry. But my hand size aside, if you have extra large hands or like carrying large or extra large knives, this one's going to be for you. This is a serious chunk of steel right here. Now, the action on this big boy is absolutely insane. It closes with ease. It flips with ease. And this is a lot lighter than you would think it is. This model came up, and this is a Rec exclusive or River's Edge cutlery, and I picked it up on the secondary. And let me tell you, the moment I picked this one up out of the box, I knew this one was going to live with me forever. For me, this fits how I want a pocket knife to fit me personally in hand. It fits well back here on a standard grip, and if I want to choke up or get up over that blade, this takes the cake. For me personally, this one is the blade of choice. And I'm glad I didn't give up on the Padre Compadre series after the first one, because this one is absolutely fantastic. The big one is as well. Again, I prefer this size of blade, and those of you that watch my channel regularly know that I'm right around probably a 3-inch blade, plus or minus about a 1/4 of an inch. That being said, from here on out, if I'm going to buy knives, I really need to pay attention to the overall size and I guess not leverage so much money out there. The design aesthetic on both of these blades is just beautiful. I love the Timascus pivot collars on them. I love the diamond checkering, and then the very unique blade shape of it. They just work. I really do like that they have full-size finger choils. No matter what size of finger you have, they're going to fit on these finger choils. Let's get into the specs. First one up is the Padre in Diamond Tie Stonewash. We have an overall length of 8.03 inches. A blade length of 3.34 inches, a handle length of 4.7 inches, a blade thickness of 0.146 inches, a handle thickness of 0.527 inches, an overall weight of 5.07 ounces. The blade style is a hybrid combination of several different styles of blade. It is constructed of Vanex. It is flat ground and has a generous finger choil. And as you can see, has plenty of belly for cutting. The locking system is a frame lock, and as you can see, is running about a 40 to 50% lockup. The pocket clip is a semi-deep carry style, and it is ambidextrous. The handles, the back spacer, and the pocket clip are all constructed of titanium. There is a very generous lanyard loop at the back end of the Padre, and I really like the jimping cut into this back spacer. Opening methods for the Padre: we have a thumb hole in the blade, and we have a front flipper, and both work effortlessly. This is what the Padre looks like in the pocket. Specs on the Compadre: we have an overall length of 7.08 inches, a blade length of 2.95 inches, a handle length of 4.13 inches, an overall weight of 3.91 ounces. Again, the very unique modified clip point blade design. This one is also constructed of Vanex And the blade finish of this particular version, which is the rec exclusive, is finished off in a satin DLC. And you can see right away how beautiful that finish is. The blade thickness is 0.125 inches. The handle thickness is 0.496 inches. And the handle thickness with pocket clip is 0.65 inches. This is what the Compadre looks like in the pocket. The handles themselves on these knives are very grippy, but they're not overly grippy. They're actually very comfortable in hand. Even the diamond tie stonewash is very grippy without being overly aggressive. In fact, I wouldn't say it's aggressive at all, but it's perfect for good grip. Let's do some size comparisons with the Padre and Compadre. First up, we have the Benchmade bug out. And as you can see here, the Compadre is just about the same size as the bug out. Up next, we have the Kunwu Zen, which is a favorite daily carry of mine. It is very similar in size to the Compadre, and of course smaller than the Padre. Up next, we have the Kunwu Stiffy P, and this is a fixed blade version of the Kunwu Pulsar. It is definitely smaller than both the Padre and the Compadre, making it a really easy to carry belt knife. And last but not least, we have the Django himself here in extra large format. The size does not disappoint. It is head and shoulders bigger than the Padre and clearly the Compadre. That is a big knife. That one is just for fun. Final thoughts and impressions on these two. I don't believe you can go wrong with either of the Padre or the Compadre. For me personally, I really dig the Compadre size, if you can't tell this already in the video. Does that negate the awesomeness of the Padre? No, not at all. If I was blessed with extra large or double extra large man mitts, I would absolutely dig that Padre for a daily carry for me personally. But I'm not, so the perfect size for me is the Compadre. Both of these are constructed of premium materials and have exceptional build quality. I don't think you can go wrong with either of these, and I would just say buy along the blade size preference or carry size preference that you normally carry. So you're not like me and you spend double and have to learn the hard way. But I'm hard-headed and that happens sometimes. These are high quality knives, and that Vanek steel will keep sharp and last for years to come. Now, I heard that there was some negative flack online recently about the DLC coding on Kunwu's knives and trying to negate the validity of their excellent product. I'll just say to whoever runs Kunwu out there, you're doing a great job because I've had zero issues with any of my Kunwu knives. Haters are going to hate. You can't please everybody. So keep doing what you're doing. You have some killer product out there. Thank you so much for checking out the Kunwu Padre and the Compadre with me. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Tell me which one of these did you pick up. Thank you so much for your time, and have a good day.